Good day. We are from the group number 9 and I am Anne-Marie Beretta, the project manager of the team.
And I am Crishudia Maligado, the documenter.
And I am Mark Anthony T. Vinigas, the programmer of the group.
And we will be having the document demo of our system, which is the Municipality COVID Vaccination Monitoring System. Chapter 1. For the background of the study of our system, this system will be used to replace manual processes in order to prevent errors and can help mitigate the spread of infectious virus with the efficient vaccine distribution in every municipality. It will identify and monitor residents having their vaccination, and doses will be checked for accurate immunization of the residents. Our system aims to provide the following objectives. First is to ensure residents' vaccination of a specific municipality to be monitored to reduce the spread rate of COVID dropouts. Second is to automate the process to handle transactions of the vaccination. And third, secure the important and necessary records and documentation are set up for use study, sickness surveillance, and immunization viability for vaccine effectiveness studies by creating a database. And lastly, is to generate reliable information and accurate monitoring of the vaccination. For the conceptual framework of our study shows how the system will work. So, it will allow the client to input the residents' information about the vaccination that will be handled by the vaccinators. Data will then be collected and stored in the system, and every transaction done during the process of the vaccination is recorded. Scope and delimitation of the study. For the scope of our study as a whole, it is said to provide efficient and effective monitoring of the residents' vaccination of a specific municipality and reliable information about the latter. This will cover up the whole first and second dose vaccination process. And for the delimitation, this system is only designed for storing and gathering of residents' data for the monitoring of the vaccination of a specific municipality and is limited for the use of authorized persons only for this carries important information. The booster shot vaccination process is not included. Significance of the study. Significance of the study. This system is intended to benefit the following people as it will be developed. So first will be the health center personnel. The system aims to provide the personnel or the persons under health center an efficient monitoring of the vaccinated resident status in their municipality. Secondly, the system aims to benefit the municipal residents. Secondly, the system intended to benefit the municipal residents. So it will ensure residents of the municipality to receive reliable information about their vaccination and will provide monitoring of their vaccination status. Third are the researchers. So this study enabled us to improve our logical thinking on developing our system and provide us additional knowledge to discover new things. And lastly, is for the future researchers. So this study can be useful to future researchers as they also develop their own systems. This can give them ideas that they can apply or they can also apply to their research.
Chapter 2. Review of related literature. Local studies. Infrastructure of COVID-19 vaccine monitoring system for those who get COVID-19 vaccine vital. CDC study, COVID-19 vaccine safety monitoring data reassuring. Infrastructure for COVID-19 vaccine monitoring. The novel coronavirus SARS-CoV-2 the cause of COVID-19 has led to a global pandemic. The first notification about pneumonia of unknown origin from Wuhan, China on December 31, 2019. This project tracks the dynamic nature of public safety as vaccine development and distribution unfold. Monitoring system for those who get COVID-19 vaccine vital. Vaccination said monitoring the post-administration of COVID-19 vaccines is critical. Monitoring part of immunization program that help to investigate and give information if that vaccine is effective or not. National government has to decentralize the administration of the vaccine. CDC study COVID-19 vaccine safety monitoring data reassuring. CDC study COVID-19 vaccine safety monitoring data reassuring. CDC report indicates reassuring safety profiles for COVID-19 vaccines administered to healthcare personnel and long-term care facility residents between December 14, 2020 and January 30, 2021. Researchers from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention or CDC analyzed data on adverse events related to the first and second dose of the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine. Foreign studies, COVID-19 vaccine reporting systems, mobile apps for prioritizing privacy, efficiency, and equity, a decentralized approach to COVID-19 vaccination coordination. Managing safe, equitable, and effective COVID-19 vaccination. COVID-19 vaccine reporting systems. Millions of people in the United States have received COVID-19 vaccines. These vaccines have undergone the most intensive safety monitoring in U.S. history. This monitoring includes using established and new safety monitoring systems to make sure they are safe. Some mild side effects like swelling and pain are normal and show the vaccine is working. Mobile apps prioritizing privacy, efficiency, and equity, a decentralized approach to COVID-19 vaccination coordination. Record keeping and reminder systems must be developed to ease the burden of coordinating adherence to specific vaccine protocols. Monitoring systems were developed to surveil adverse events after vaccination. As more of the population get vaccinated, methods of assessing and confirming vaccination status become increasingly important for the relaxation of public health measures. Managing safe, equitable, and effective COVID-19 vaccination. The global effort to curb the spread of COVID-19 has brought not just one vaccine but multiple novel products with signals of efficacy and safety. Prioritizing the allocation of vaccines demands investments in effective and efficient data collection. Data are integral to monitor outcomes after the vaccination and investigating any adverse effects. Related systems, vaccination management system, immunization and information systems, useful tools for monitoring vaccination programs in EU or EEA countries 2016. E-vaccination, fingerprint-based vaccination monitoring system. This table shows the difference and similarities of system features among the three listed related systems.
Chapter 3. In the Chapter 3, I will discuss the planning phase, analysis phase, coding phase, testing phase, deployment phase, and maintenance phase. Planning phase. In the planning phase, the team has decided to make a fully functional system that monitors resident vaccination of the specific municipality. It is intended to eliminate the manual processes during the vaccination. The goal is to give aid to the workload of the health official on the handling records on each vaccinated and unvaccinated resident. Analysis phase. In the analysis phase, manual processes that cause delay to the operation are determined to automate the monitoring of vaccination. These functions are built according to the difficulties and costs of delay of the process. Each function covers an operation altered to the manual, and it's developed to help a specific operational area. Coding phase. Coding phase. In the coding phase, user can update resident status as they register to get vaccinated. Information is gathered from census. All the data during their vaccination are recorded in the system, such as resident vaccine brand taken, date, assigned nurse, and their schedule for the next dose. Testing phase. System testing will be done with the team along with the advisor and monitor code's behavior. Code will be reviewed and ensure a bug-free functionality. The fully functional system will be released to the target user for the testing and execute of every function acquired by the system. Deployment phase. The fully functional system will be deployed and used by the assigned user in the COVID vaccination area to verify its usefulness and accuracy to the operation in handling the overall process of the vaccination. Maintenance phase. The fully operational system performance will be monitored to ensure it will operate accordingly to what function it is expected to execute.
Chapter 4. This chapter explains and interprets the result of the user survey conducted for the system of the Municipality COVID Vaccination Monitoring System. We have surveyed online by just providing the respondents a link with our video of the demo of the system attached that is uploaded on YouTube so that respondents can view and watch it online before they answer the survey. We have accomplished it right away because it is convenient for us and to the respondents as well because it was done online. So the following are the respondents of the system. First are the residents. They are the primary participants in the vaccine monitoring process, and the nurses or evaluators, they will essentially be the clients of the system. The total number of our respondents is 40. 35 of them are the vaccinated residents, and 5 are the evaluators or nurses.
Interpretation of data. First is the system usefulness. From a 40 total number of respondents came back a mean of 1.86, where it could be interpreted as agree. Second is the information quality. From a 40 total number of respondents came back a mean of 1.85, where it could be interpreted as strongly agree. Third is the interface quality. From a 40 total number of respondents came back a mean of 1.75, where it could be interpreted as strongly agree. And last is the overall satisfaction rating. From a 40 total number of respondents came back a mean of 1.85, which interpreted as strongly agree. Chapter 5. Summary of findings. Based on the proponent's results about user experience in terms of system usability, a mean score of 1.82 for system usefulness, 1.85 for information quality, 1.75 for interface quality, and 1.85 for overall satisfaction rating was calculated and interpreted as respondents strongly agreed. The results showed that the system met the respondents' expectations and performed as predicted. It demonstrates that if applied in the COVID vaccination center, the system can be beneficial in the future.
Conclusion. In conclusion to the result of the survey, the developed system functions, usability, and interface are user-friendly. This system executes the expected output needed in the handling the operation of COVID vaccination. Recommendation: the Morsha COVID vaccination monitoring system can be further improved by adding another function or booster shot. Moreover, vaccine inventory can be added to ensure that there is always enough stock of vaccines, and it is open for more improvement and another recommendation. And that will be all. Thank you for watching.